team_reacts Vlogmas episodes.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Keem. Welcome and welcome back. So on this reaction, we're gonna react to teddysw's Tennis Whiskey live from our basement. So this is actually my first time reacting to a teddysw. So I'm not really sure what to expect from this man. So without further ado, let's see what he's capable of on this performance. Love from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So let's dive in. Peace.
This song's called Tennessee Whiskey.
Yep. This gonna be something lit. Like absolutely lit. I've heard so much Tennessee Whiskey covers, but this one stands out. Right? Each individual to their own style, but this stands out, to be honest. I wanna hear more. Let's continue. Like, there are a lot of things that we've heard when it comes on to singing a song, right? There are a lot of people, right, sung this Tennessee Whiskey song. But when I've heard this man's voice and he's doing a cover towards it, I mean, like, it brings back so much memory, right? It gives a positive impression that Earl is like a Tennessee whiskey, right? And this music is very, very great, right? Mr. Teddy here is quite remarkable when it comes on to this, right? It's my first time, and Teddy is giving that lovely impression that, hey, I've been streaming this man's song from like the first day I've even done a reaction to him, and it's my first time. He's killing it so far. Let's continue. This is just so smooth and calm, right? I would say smooth and deadly. This was done 3 years ago. I think it's 2020, right? And it's giving a Tennessee whiskey vibe. Let's continue. Wow, very beautiful voice, right? Hey Teddy, bro, like, I love this track. I love this track. I love this performance, though. Whoa. My mind is being blown right now to hear this. What the fuck, bro? Beautiful music never dies, right? And Mr. Teddy here, right? Mr. Swims, I could say, right? Why wouldn't I even sit and not to feel the vibe right here, right? The vibe is so right. It is just so perfect. The time is quite perfect for me, right? And he's giving this energy that is quite an energetic feeling. The vibe is just so good, right? Oh man, like, all right. Let's continue. Ah, wow, whoa. Really impressive. The impression of this is just impressive. I'm really impressed by everything: the music, the instrumental, the beat, the musician himself, which is Mr. teddysw, all perfectly combined together. Wow, an amazing team, right? Damn. What? Hey, if I am doing something like a party or a small event, or if it's at a primary school or somewhere like that, and I need someone to sing and to make a performance there, I would surely book Mr. Swims here, because you'll have the people like so astonished. The vibe, right? The entire energy that is flowing from this man's voice is quite captivating, right? It's giving this imprisonment style that, hey, I can't just stop to just listen. I have to feel what he's singing. And he's giving that very much so. He pulls that note, it's just, what? I can't sing, but That was dope. That was really impressive. Really amazing. Please continue. Very impressive performance. The vibes is right. Everything is just so lit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys do have any more suggestions that you guys want to suggest to me about Mr. Teddy Swims here, don't forget to suggest it. I'll check it out when I can. Right? So if you guys do like my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, and also share it to a friend telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. So I'll see you next time around. Peace.